Canna Systems has focused primarily on building the infrastructure for extraction, for doing edibles, doing vape pens, doing different type of end products that are going to go into the big box stores. Our main goal right now is to build a full vertically integrated supply chain to support the big box buyers. I don't come from the cannabis space. I come from more of the corporate America business manufacturing background. Spent many years in the injection molding space, spent many years in the metal space. Coupling that commodity or manufacturing experience with the cannabis space that I've only been within the last 3 years have really assisted me to really build, I believe, a great company. What I'm trying to do is bring the standard corporate principles and business 101 principles to the space. I think our biggest differentiator as a company is that when we built this business, we built it under the premise of understanding what is the Walmart buyer going to look for. So when we look at cost of goods, when we look at how to produce a certain commodity, the cheapest way possible with the minimal amount of labor and the minimal amount of overhead, we've accomplished that. In all of our facilities that Canna Systems builds, we take the approach of building our own machinery. We take existing machinery that's out in the space and we repurpose it for our needs internally. Our goal is to make sure that we understand how to build, rebuild, repair, and maintain all the units that we have within our facilities so that we can manage our uptime and minimize our downtime. Currently, we have our main facility in Canoga Park. We're processing between 100 to 150,000 pounds worth of hemp every single month. We have a total of 6 employees within a 9,000 square foot facility. We're taking hemp all the way from biomass into isolates. And just as of recent, we've been able to get into the conversion side, which most of the manufacturers have done. Our goal is to try to find partners that are able to feed us with top quality, low cost cannabis products and or CBD products to help feed our manufacturing facilities. If your goals marry up to what Canna Systems is offering today, please reach out to us. We're always looking for new strategic partners, new customers, and new investors.